Actually, I came here. Here, his grandfather is Assam. Jai Kumar. His name is Jai Kumar. He knows very well everything. He is well educated. But do you know one thing? If you are a study, everything doesn't matter. But if you don't have manner, if you don't, you are giving respect, na, your whole study is useless. So I learned here. Whatever you are studying, it doesn't matter. You should first learn manner. You should learn some first respect. Then after that, you are a good person in your life. Am I right or not?
Yes, you are having the correct idea and as well as the correct aspect.
Yeah. See, now in this generations, the people are focused on only study education, but they are not focused on the manners, respect giving the. These are the main important things in human being. First, we should also become a human being, humble person. Then after that, your life will be success. Yeah, am I right? You are not.
You are right.
So I'm asking to you, in new generations, what do you think? What do you say that if the coming new generations, they are not respecting, they are not doing, they don't have that much manner. So what say the rules they can become a good person in his life?
So nowadays the youngsters are appreciated because they are having the 25% of the knowledges with the. My son is helped with me. So, but he is only a diploma holder in textile technology. So, he will go to the textile garments field. So, he is unable to help me. So, he will working at Chennai.
Okay.
Nearer to Madurai.
So, what's your qualification?
Become.
In which subject?
Special accounts, cost accounts, compilation accounts.
So, my next, when did you learn English that much? You are very fluent in this language. When you are in
கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் விஷயங்கள்லாம் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன் இங்கிலீஷ்லயே பேசிட்டு கண்டு நம்ம இளைஞருக்கு சந்தோஷமா
Say guys, today I came here with the Assam in South India in the place of Kumarapalia, and here I came with the ashram because I miss my family. That's why I came here. But here the people they know very well English. I'm interacting him and asking him to see, and you also listen them. How are you?
I am fine. In this field.
Oh, now you are feeling good.
For the some only I am having the some heavy health improvement and as well as my everything is now also I am having so much of the increase.
Oh my God! He is a professional English professor. But see, I don't know luck is where he is going in future. But now you are in good place, in God place. Don't feel I am somewhere.
I am having the efficiency. So I am having the efficiency with the knowledge of my improvement in English, spoken English and the mechanical English. So I will give some speech to you also. Oh, I think you are actually mechanical and as well as the aeronautical engineering. So whenever we are studying the Business India book and the industrial knowledge. So you know the competition success review book.
Actually, I did not know that.
GK all over India. The competition success review book only for whole India the students are studying for the IQ test and as well as the intelligence. So they are having the NEET exams and then the JEET exam.
I have given also JEET exam.
With the help of the competition success review book, I will give some improvement of the advices to the students.
That's good.
So I will give some advices. Afterwards they go to the library in the college and then he is ready to study.
So my next question to you is, in this generation, our age and girls and boys also, they are roaming and they are going in any other places, but they are not respecting our mothers and fathers also. So what do you think about it? We should come here and get some idea and feel that you are my grandfather. But somebody will not feel like that. You are not my grandfather. They are live at you as like a unknown person. So what do you think about that people? What do you want to say that people?
I don't know because what are the behavior?
Yeah,
so
behavior things.
Whenever he is having the good behavior, I don't object to him. So I will give full freedom to you, and as well as I will give full freedom to the students also. So whenever they want to come with me, then only I will give some advices to them.
Yeah, that's good,
So,
sir.
first of all, they are come with me. I don't know the information according to their behavior. So, single student having the single details and experiences, but a group of students having the combined status of the knowledge is there. So, whenever we are having the 10 fingers, we have strength is so I am having, and as far as the appreciation also, single man is there is no improvement.
Yeah.
Whenever we are having the 10 fingers, the students, whenever we are coming with the 10 students, they will also having the so much of knowledge because last generation having the small efficiency and we are having the simplified mechanical division. Now just like your engineer having so much of the infrastructure details,
Yeah.
whenever you are having the L&T company and the Shobha company, they are having the Muscat, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, they are having the hundreds stories.
Lots of stories.
Yes, yes. With the help of your mind,
Yeah.
with the help of your knowledge.